Hi, in front of me is Cat S42 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this device. Firstly, access Play Store, then click on the search bar and type iOS launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then choose Allow and tap Home button. Over here, select iOS launcher by clicking on it and choose Always. After that, tap Got it. And as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!